So she asked me to make a review on those extra whitening oil she can use to activate our paste soap. It's your girl again, HBM. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are highly welcome. And if you've not turned on the notification bell below, kindly turn on that bell below. All right, thank you. So guys, today I am making a requested video. One of my subscribers actually asked me to make this video for her, and I'm making this video for you, my lovely subscriber. So she asked me to make a review on those extra whitening oil she can use to activate our paste soap. What I mean by paste soap are our soap like the black soap paste, or any form of black soap paste that you know of. Of course, this extra whitening oil I want to talk about can not only be used on black soap, you can use it for any form of soap. Any form of soap that is in a paste form, you can use it for that soap. Okay guys, so before I proceed, if you know you want to go into skincare business, you want to have your own skincare brand, you want to start up a skincare line, you want to start up an online business, you are a stay-home mom, or you're a stay-home lady, or you've been searching for a job, no job, and you just want to start up your life from somewhere, then quickly go and subscribe to my new YouTube channel, HBM Uche. The link to that YouTube channel is in the description box below, so you can just go and subscribe to that channel. I have good entrepreneurship videos I've dropped there, videos that will show you the essentials needed for you to start up an online skincare business. So go there, watch the video, and I believe you will learn a whole lot of things. If you want to learn the way I run my business online, the way I make sales, the way I get clients, the way I get people to buy a skincare product from me, go and subscribe to that YouTube channel, and believe me, you're gonna learn a whole lot, because that channel is all about entrepreneurship, it's all about business building, and a whole lot of good things for you to learn from there. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let me proceed. What are those extra whitening oils that you can use to activate your soap? Number one serum I'll be talking about right now is the Whitening Serum. Whitening Serum is an oil-based serum. This oil is extra whitening, and my advice is that if you want to boost the lightening effect of your soap, you can use the serum. Find it is acidic, but there's one thing when it comes to acidic level. In skincare, when it comes to pH balancing, we have the acidic level and we have the alkaline level. Now in lotion formulation, we're always after our cream not being acidic, but when it comes to soap, especially black soap are naturally alkaline in nature. So this soap right now, if I should take the pH level of this soap, I'll be getting pH level of either 11. Yes, 11. Of course, they are very alkaline in nature. Now when your skincare product is alkaline, you need something acidic to bring it down. So that is why you can use this lightening oil and it will not irritate your skin, because the lightening oil will bring down the alkaline nature of your soap and it will balance your soap up. So I hope you get the scope, you get what I'm trying to say here. So Whitening lightening oil is very perfect for you to boost the lightening effect of your soap. Now take note, Whitening oil is oil based. It's oil based. So whenever you're making your soap, probably you want to mix this soap. For an example, you can see the soap, they call that soap cottage fresh. You want to boost the lightening effect of this soap, because if you check out that soap very well, you see they wrote super toner. So I want to believe that that soap lightens, that soap has some brightening properties in it. Now if you want to boost the lightening effect of this soap, what you will do with your Whitening oil is for you to just add in a little of your Whitening oil into the soap and give it a thorough mix the soap properly and pack it back into the container, then you keep on using. Now for you to get the right measurement, because I know so many of you will ask me that question, how many ml or how many spoon of oil should you use in mixing this particular soap? Yeah, if you want to mix this particular soap, probably you just want to pro-mix with one kind of serum, then do it like this. Make the soap 70%, then you can make the oil 30%, so that the soap will end up lathering well or foaming well. Yeah, so make the soap 70%, make the oil 30%, and believe me, you have this extra whitening effect on your skin. But mind you, if you know you want your soap to give you that extra whitening you want, you have to massage your soap into your skin for like 20 minutes before you finally wash off. Yeah, by doing that, you see the effectiveness of your soap. That is if you're the type that does not use cream. You can activate your paste soap this way. So the number 2 lightening oil I will recommend for you to pro-mix your soap with is 48 hours whitening oil. Yeah, you can see the picture above there. This whitening oil is extra whitening. If you watch my videos, the video I made on how to make Snow White soap, you see that I actually use this oil. This oil is extra whitening. This oil, you know, can be used on face, body and feet. Yeah, but I advise, if you want to use this oil for your lotion, please make sure you know about skincare formulation. Don't just go and use it that way, because if you misuse it, I'm sorry, it might misuse you. Sorry for that, but that's just the gospel truth. So this oil is extra whitening. Like I said, soap is usually alkaline, so when you use acidic lightening oil, you mix them into your soap, the oil does not really become harsh on your skin, because you've added it to a soap that is very, very alkaline. But rather, the acidic lightening oil will pull down the alkaline level of that soap and balance it up. Yeah, the normal pH level for a soap is 7, 8 and 9. It's still okay, but when you're going to 10, 11, please run for your life. But when you make a paste black soap, probably you made a paste black soap, and you arrive at pH level 7, pH level 8 or 9, you're still good to go. But anything below 7, your soap might not lather again, because that is the nature of soap. It's meant to be a bit alkaline in nature. Yeah, so that is just it for soap. So 48 hours of whitening oil is very, very effective for giving you that extra whitening. So if you're making use of this this oil to make your black soap, probably maybe this time around you're not mixing it into your fresh cottage, you want to make soap from scratch. Maybe you sell black soap and you want to use it to pro-mix your soap to get that whitening effect. Of course, you can use this oil. Just know how to balance this oil in your formulation, because definitely when you're making your black soap, you definitely add oil into your black soap. Yeah, you definitely add oil, because you need oil to moisturize your skin in your black soap. If not, it will dry out your skin. So now the measurement of this oil have to go along with the oil that is supposed to go into your soap. For example, you can do it this way. You have 25% of carrier oil, organic carrier oil, then you have 25% of your extra whitening oil to balance up or to make up that 50% of oil that is going into your black. So I hope I've been able to break it down to the level that you will understand. I'm just giving you guys business scope here. What other skincare bigger brand does when they start shouting extreme whitening soap. Well, I don't pro-mix oil into my soap, because my own skincare brand stand for 100% organic. But I'm only doing this because, one, I am a YouTuber. I have to answer to everyone's concern, and that is why most of the time I cover pro-mixing on my channel, because my channel is all about everything skincare. So 48 hours whitening oil is It's dope, it's superb. So just give that oil a trial. Believe me, you will come back and tell me, oh my god, it works. Yeah, so the number 3 oil I'm gonna tell you about, well, I won't call it oil, it's a milk. Yeah, so the number 3 whitening milk I'm gonna tell you about is skin free milk. Is widely used by so many people, and yes, it works in soap. When it comes to soap, it works because skin free milk is very acidic, very acidic, but in your soap, yeah, you are good to go. Don't be scared when using it for soap. Don't be scared because skin free milk is a whitening activator. It really works. Yeah, it contains clobetasol, it contains some extra whitening oil, but just because soap are not leave-on products, even when you leave it for that 20 minutes, the 20 minutes is not enough to damage your skin. Yeah, they are not leave-on product. You definitely wash off your soap. Adibin is body lotion that you have to leave that lotion on your body. I don't really advise skin free milk except you're a professional, you know how to use it. But if you don't know how to use skin free milk, don't just go and buy skin free milk and pour into your lotion, because you might see the bad side of it. Yeah, but for your soap, you're good to go. If you check my 7 days whitening black soap I did here on my channel, you'll see that I activated my black soap with skin free milk. So skin free milk is very okay. It's widely used by so many skincare formulators. Yeah, so many of these big brands, you see that they will come and start saying this soap will whiten you without without applying cream. If you're a type that does not apply cream, make use of this soap, my dear. This is the serum they all use to activate their soap, so you can do it yourself. But if you want natural skincare products, I sell. You see this soap here? Yeah, this soap here, 100% plant based without any whitening serum. I tell my client the truth, because there's one thing in business: when you're selling your skincare products, please sell it with truth. Those that will buy will buy. That is it. Well, I don't want to talk much about our business tutorials or entrepreneurship tutorials here. If you really want to know more or see me talk about all this, just go and subscribe to HBM and Uche channel. So skin free milk is a milk based whitening oil. So I advise that whenever you're working with skin free milk, make sure you add a carrier oil into your soap. Make sure you add a carrier oil that is moisturizing, because skin free milk is not an oil base. It is strictly water and milk based whitening oil. So if you check the same video that I made, the 7 days whitening soap I made on this channel, just check on my channel, you see the soap. If you check the 7 days whitening black soap I did on this channel, you see that I added a good carrier oil to the soap. So skin free milk, you need to work with your oils whenever you're using it whenever you're using it to make your black soap. So you have to be careful of your liquids, your liquid content or your liquid percentage when you're making your soap. Now, when it's come to working with skin free milk, because it's not oily, because it's not oil based, you can add it to your water content, because definitely most times some people, whenever they want to make their black soap, they have to soak the black soap to soften it before they work with it, probably the next day or in the next 3 days. Yeah, you can soak your soap with skin free milk to soften that soap. You can actually do that with your skin free milk. Yeah guys, so I believe I've given you enough scope, enough expo on this. Yeah, so number 4 whitening oil I want to talk about is your Magic Force. Yeah, that's it up there. Magic Force is boom, is an activator. It also works like the skin free milk. It's also a milk based serum. So whenever you're using Magic Force, please endeavor to add moisturizing oil into your soap so that your skin will not dry out. So Magic Force is a whitening activator. Talking of the 7 days whitening black soap here on my channel, I know a whole lot of people that made that soap, and they came to me telling me that wow, the soap is working. So many people even make that soap to sell. Yeah, so many people, they are selling that same recipe of the soap I made, and it's making them white, like for real. Yeah, it's making them white without green vein, giving them flawless skin. So the number 5 extra whitening oil I want to talk about is my Labijanis body treating oil. So that's it there. And I also have the Labijanis here. Yeah, we have the carrots of Labijanis, then we have this ordinary one. The carrot has an orange cap, then this ordinary one has a white cap. So Labijanis is very good, and you know the funniest thing is so affordable, very affordable. Is plenty, is 125 ml. Very affordable. So if you want to boost the lightening effect of your paste soap, let's say for instance you want to boost the lightening effect of your fresh cottage soap, of course you can go for this. It's very affordable, it's very affordable, very cheap. This oil contains arbuthnol powder, it contains a propylene glycol, glycerin. It's very moisturizing. It is an oil based extra whitening oil, so this also is a good lightening or whitening activator for your soap. So the number 6 I want to talk about, which I've used also on this channel, is your Citro Clear concentrated serum. I have the one I used remaining. So the last video I dropped, I'm gonna be dropping the link to the last video I made. I promised 3 different type of soap together, and I boosted with my lightening powders, and I also added this serum to boost the lightening effect of that soap. So you can check out the video. I'll be dropping the link to that video in my description box. So I use this serum. This is very affordable. I think this is 500 naira here in Nigeria. This is very okay. So many skincare formulator uses this. Believe me, they use this. After adding whitening powders, they still go on and add this. Then tell me, why won't you be white? Of course you will be white. So Citro Clear is a good whitenizer. You know, you can just pour it into your cup of pasty soap. You can use it to make your black soap from scratch, and you will still get that super whitening effect on your skin when you use the soap. That's it, guys. Those are the extra whitening oil I can tell you about. I can proudly tell you about that you can use to boost the lightening effect of your soap, and your soap will come out super whitening, super lightening. 2 to 3 weeks you start seeing the effect of the soap. With continual usage of it, you will see the extra whitening effect of your soap when you mix your soap with all these extra whitening oils I have mentioned. But please try to know your extra whitening serum that are oil based and the ones that are milk based. The ones that are milk based that I've mentioned now are your Skin Free Milk and Magic Force. The 48 hours whitening oil, the Labijanis treatment oil, the Citro Clear oil, the White Me Now oil, they are all oil based whitening oil. So for those ones that are milk based whitening oil, make sure you add in your vegetable glycerin, which serves as your humectant, so that it can always draw moisture to your skin, making your skin to glow while you're doing your skincare whitening journey thing. So dear subscriber, I hope I've been able to answer your question. I hope I've been able to give you the answer you need. So if you have any video you want me to make for you, yeah, I'll gladly make that video for you. As long as I have the capability to make that video, I will make that video for you. So please, if you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and do not forget to subscribe to my new YouTube channel, HBM Uche, for more entrepreneurship vlogs, for business building matters, and many more to come on that channel, because this channel is strictly for skincare. I don't want to bring in any other thing into my niche. Thank you for watching this video to the end, because I know that you're still watching me right now. So guys, thank you. Bye.